Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to Brewfix, your go-to channel for keeping coffee machines running like new. If your espresso is taking forever to heat, coming out too cold, or burning coffee, the problem could be your boiler, thermostat, or heating element. Today, I'll show you how to diagnose these issues safely, step by step, so you can understand the problem and know whether it's something you can fix or when to call a technician. By the end, you'll know how to pinpoint the exact cause of heating problems and get your machine brewing properly again. Some common signs that your boiler, thermostat, or heating element might be failing include espresso coming out too cold or lukewarm, water temperature fluctuating during shots, coffee tasting sour or bitter, the machine taking longer than usual to heat up, and strange noises like hissing or gurgling. Recognizing these symptoms is the first step in diagnosing the issue. You'll need a digital multimeter for voltage, resistance, and continuity, an insulated screwdriver or Allen keys, safety gloves and eye protection, your espresso machine unplugged and cooled down, and a towel or tray for water spills. Optional, but helpful, your machine's service manual to locate components. Your boiler is the heart of your machine, heating water for brewing and steaming. Start by inspecting it for leaks or visible damage. Then check the connections and wiring going to the boiler. Use your multimeter to test continuity and resistance. Continuity confirms the circuit is complete and resistance should match the manufacturer's specifications. If the boiler shows no continuity or abnormal resistance, it's likely defective. The thermostat regulates temperature, and if it fails, the machine can overheat or underheat. First, locate the thermostat, often mounted on or near the boiler, and remove it carefully. Test it with a multimeter for continuity. A closed circuit at room temperature indicates a working thermostat, while open or inconsistent readings mean it's faulty. Tip: some thermostats are one-time fuses, thermal cutoffs, so always replace them exactly as specified. The heating element converts electricity into heat. Without it, water won't reach brewing temperature. Always unplug the machine and remove the element if accessible. Set your multimeter to ohms/resistance mode and compare the readings to the manufacturer's specifications. High or infinite resistance indicates a broken element, while extremely low resistance signals a shorted element. Safety note: never test a heating element while it's powered, as serious burns or electric shocks can occur. After testing, a boiler failure often requires replacement. A thermostat failure can usually be replaced easily. Check for thermal cutoffs, and a heating element failure should be replaced or repaired if accessible. Sometimes multiple components fail at once, so take careful notes of your readings to make sure you replace the correct part. If you encounter live voltage issues or sparks, fluctuating pressure combined with heating failure, or unclear readings despite testing, don't risk it. Call a qualified technician. Safety comes first. Now you know how to diagnose boiler, thermostat, and heating element issues safely and effectively. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe to Brewfix, and comment below with your machine model. I might create a detailed troubleshooting guide for it. Check the link in the description for recommended tools and parts. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching Brewfix, where we keep your coffee machines running and your mornings caffeinated.